Hi everyone, welcome back to the Learn with GemPages video series. In this video, I'll show you how to create responsive layouts using the row element. The row element is the foundation of every page layout, from product details and logo lists to testimonial sections. Everything starts with it. Let's dive in and see how it works. With GemPages' new editor, you can now create rows with up to 6 columns, giving your layout greater flexibility. You can drag and drop any type of content, or even nest another row inside it. From the left sidebar, you can easily adjust the number of columns, their width, and alignment. You can also choose between fit to content or by ratio to fine-tune the column width for your layout. In addition, there are more customization options such as column management, size, background, shape, and more. Using the row element is the key to creating a truly responsive layout. For example, a 4-column layout on desktop will automatically switch to a vertical format on mobile devices. You can also adjust the number of columns displayed on mobile or tablet to ensure the best user experience. Now let's take a look at a practical example. I'll start by adding a heading element, center aligning it, and setting the line height to 120%. Next, I'll add a text block inside the section, input the content, center it, and in advanced settings, set the margin to 2XL. The next step is to create a 3-column row layout. I'll add image elements, upload the icons, and adjust the width to 48px for a better fit, then center them. Below that, I'll drag another text block, update the content and text size, and center the text just like before. For the lower text block, we'll apply the same steps. Now let's fine-tune the spacing to make the overall layout more visually appealing. To add borders to each column, drag and drop another row element right above the one we just edited. Scroll down in the Settings tab, go to Shape, enable Border, and set the border thickness to 2px. Then change the border color to make the interface stand out. Continue by dragging and dropping the prepared elements. To make the layout more harmonious, increase the padding inside the columns. Go back to column settings, delete the remaining 2 columns, and duplicate the edited one. Now, just update the content and images accordingly, and remove the space between columns by setting the column gap to 0. That's it! You've just created a responsive web layout using the row element. Don't forget to save and publish your work once you're done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new tutorials from Learn with GemPages. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.